What up? Let's look at the last couple days of SPY here. So yesterday we got into puts when it lost the 200 EMA. Look at this double top. Okay, went in that zone. I'm always leery when we have a higher high, like a breakout. This is what we traded yesterday. When we have a breakout, because this was the first target. We got out here. See this retest? That's where we got in, on this blue line retest of this wedge. We took our calls to the top of the wedge. See this? The top of that wedge lines up with a target right there. We're out. Okay? We made a new high, and the only way I'm staying in like runners or something is if we go like this. That's the only way. And what I'm doing usually is adding here because I'm already out. I'm already out, especially on a 0 day. So this broke down. And then what it started to do, I know people got in here. I did not get in here. I got in right here. Okay, I got in right there, and we rode it to this blue line. This was like 40% or more just from here. Boom, boom. That was a really nice move. Look at this bear flag right here. Bear flag. Okay. So that bear flag down. The only thing I'm expecting is the next blue line. And look, we went from pre-market low to the next blue line. All of this is a bonus. And as you can see, I made a new orange line here because of these touch points. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 touch points. That's an orange line for me. Let's see if we touch that at all today. No, we lost it. So it didn't come into play at all today. If we move back up, I'm going to watch that level. Okay. It's right next to the blue. I don't like to put lines too close together because the closer levels are together, the less important the levels. But at the same time, we just quadruple bottomed, right? Instead of moving this down, what I'm going to do is just have that level there. Okay, so I'm going to leave that there. Okay, so now we have a new like structure here, right? We went right up to the blue line. Okay, we actually took calls from right here. So right here, we rejected, came down, right? Rejected, came down, went through, support, resistance became support, went back here, which do you see how this level is the same as this? Where we bear flagged under. Boom. That's where I got out of calls right there. I actually got right back in here and got back into calls here. It was like 2 minutes. I did not catch this up here. I thought we would go like this. I thought we would like just keep bouncing around here or something. I don't know why I thought that, but I did. But instead we busted out. You know, we kind of made a money spot here on this orange line. But look what happened. We lost it right away. We went up to the blue. We always have our blue lines, right? And we lost it right away. Some people got in puts here. I did not. I wanted puts under this, but I was waiting for the retest. This kind of became my new zone to watch, okay? And as I said before, we triple bottomed, quadruple bottomed under it and like basically made a new base. And then yesterday I played calls above this right here. I got in calls at 12:40 p.m. yesterday right there, and they went like 300%. It was so fast. It was 0.48 to 150, and I got out at 100. I didn't catch the whole move. I think I got less than that actually. So we closed over to 200, which is nice. You could call it bullish, I guess. I'm not going to sit here and call it bullish with, you know, SPY being in this downtrend, but SPY opened here and closed here. It only lost 17 cents on the day. So complete sideways day from SPY yesterday. Very tough day. A lot of people were unhappy with the whipsaw movement. Okay, we're watching this level here, right here, this 426.72. 426.72. Look, right away we lost it and we got into puts today. Right away we lost it, and this was our put entry. Right there. Okay? This is a chance when you don't have a retest, right? We did not go like this on this line. None of this happened, okay? We lost it right away. We got in here. I got out here and re-entered here to the blue. Okay, that was my first target. It was really fast, and we're looking for this pre-market low area too, this orange line. All these lines, I'm apprehensive, are we going to break it? But do you see the volume just coming in? Boom, 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 boom. This volume candle is twice any volume of the whole day, really. And I don't count the last one of the day because that's always big. So we have the structure from here, okay? And what you can do when this is happening in real time is you can go like this too. That's what I was first looking at, okay? Let me delete that one because this one's kind of stupid. Now you have this and you have this, okay? We're going into an orange line, which we totally could have just gone down. Absolutely could have just gone down, okay? But as soon as we went up here, this is a little money spot, right? We're breaking out with the blue line, and we were in calls until we got to here. I added about right here, okay? I added here, got out, added again. I was talking about that in main chat. I was like, I'm out 20%, I'm back in, I'm up 30%. And I said, I am not going to add again unless we get over this blue line, which we obviously did not get over. If this would have just continued up, I would have missed that move or gotten in a retest. Now you have a new structure though. Okay, as I said, that's happening in real time, and all you're doing is drawing this. It's bouncing, bouncing. Look, it's kind of repeating itself. And if you want to draw this, look at all these channels today. It's like the channel day. Okay, as I said, you want to see the money spot. How does price react when the trend hits a blue line? Here we rejected. Here we went straight through it as if it wasn't there. And what I'm talking about is this. See how we caught support here and went up? This was my first target for puts. We sliced through it like it wasn't there. We barely went down though. And what I've been seeing all year is this like dip before the rip, pop before the drop. And in this case, we dipped and ripped. We made a new low, which I'm getting out. I am not chasing a new low, but look what happened here. We went here, here. Oh, crap. The wrong function. We went here. We even retested here. See that green candle? Look, retested the channel. Look, we retested that here. One candle went all the way back up to the blue. As soon as you see a double bottom, freaking get out of your shorts. Like if this would have gone like this and then somehow came down, I would have been like, I'm already out. I don't care. I literally don't care. I am not going to stay in puts on top of a double bottom. Okay, and then we have another little money spot right on the blue, which we lost. We even went over it a little bit. Okay, pop before the drop. In real time, this candle was a full body and then dropped down. And then we went down here. We caught support at the low a day. Like I said, the only way I'm getting in when it breaks low a day is if it goes like this. Okay, and really my entry would be here. Right there. That's my entry. Not there, there. Okay, it has that, and none of that happened. So let's look for tomorrow on this, but let me delete this stuff and then I will go to Tesla. So really good day. We had some major gains in the chat. And then we did Tesla as well. Oh, let me go back to SPY and show you guys something. So, do you see how we broke this blue here? Let's pay attention to this. We broke this blue, and how far did we really get? Here we popped back up, even with the retest. When we are playing this down, you have to put your stop loss at the last blue. I don't know when it's going to pop back up. This could get you out right here, and if it goes down, you miss it. That's fine. I can't control that. So, and then it happened the day before. Look, I said I'm in puts heavy right here. I caught a move down, and I was out right there. I was out right there. This was the extent of my play. I was in here, and I actually, people were red here, and more red. I'm like, dude, I have no idea how far it's going to go, especially when there's no retest. Okay, I was out before this retest. It went here, above it, so it retested. You would think it would do this, and it did not. Okay, now, why did that happen? We went up here. We lost 1, 2, 3 blue lines. You're already chasing with a third blue line. What happened today? We rejected 1. Let's not even count that. But 1, 2, 3 blue lines. I'm not expecting the blue line to dump more. We had 2 days in a row. I just showed you that the third blue line went back up, even though it lost it. We scalped it, right? I was in heavy, and I'm like, hey, I want a big bag here. But from here to here was like 30% on a 0 day. 28% is really nice. You have to be quick. These are 5-minute candles though. You still have 5-10 minutes to kind of get out, right? If you are watching this. And do not trade unless you can watch the entire time you're in a trade. So this is Tesla today. We opened up under this 200 EMA, okay? Got into puts right here, right there. Now, this was our problem with getting into puts here. I'll show you exactly why. I didn't alert this because I didn't want people to freak out because I thought we were going to drop. Look at this flag. That flag popped up. Now, pop before the drop. Look at, we got above opening print. We never got above the 200. We made new lows to the blue line. Blue line to blue line. If I get in here, I'm expecting the blue line. Okay, I did not like that we went like this. We went above this 50% mark. Okay, we got in here. I just said that. We went above 50%. We went above this 0.23. Look at that. We almost went all the way to the next blue line. Okay, this was a hard hold. What you got to do is scale in, scale in. Okay, under the 200, we're freaking in. And look at this double top. I just said I don't want to be in puts on top of a double bottom. Just like I do not want to be in calls underneath a double top. Okay, same thing. So, but well before that, I took profits into this blue line. I was like, out. Look at that volume. Look at this volume on that doji. You know a big move is coming. If you have high volume on a doji, a big move is coming. And what was this forming? That high volume came in on a bear flag. Okay? Yeah, so that was Tesla. And this is already 12 minutes. So love you guys. Bye.